Here's 3 examples of Boulder Opal. It's been semi-cut out of larger pieces of rough or offcuts. A piece like that's probably an offcut. The white that you can see is the reflection of the light. The rule's in millimetres and it's been wetted. Make a nice little pendant. It's obviously the back side, the opal doesn't come through. Second piece, electric blues. It's probably been split off another stone. That saw mark there possibly could be where the saw's been made. Cut in a little bit to put some sort of lever in, like a screwdriver to break it open. But it's second piece. Last piece is this Koroit type piece of opal. It's the back, ready to shape up, make a pendant out of it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.